Do you know the answer? Today's quiz will take you on a journey through history, literature, geography, science, and fascinating trivia. Do you know the name of Ernest Hemingway's famous six-toed cat? Can you remember how the heroes of Jules Verne's The Mysterious Island reached the island? And which color do lions have the hardest time seeing? You'll also discover where the world's largest active volcano is located, which legendary city was founded by Queen Dido, and what title is awarded to the world's greatest chess players. There are 20 fun questions waiting for you, plus a bonus riddle at the very end. Watch until the finish, keep track of your score, and let us know in the comments how many you got right. Thanks for joining us. Let's get started. Let's kick things off with an interesting one. What was the name of Ernest Hemingway's famous six-toed cat? Was it Fluffy, Snow White, Buddy, or Whiskers? That's right. The correct answer is Snow White. Ernest Hemingway received a white, six-toed cat named Snow White from a ship captain in the 1930s. That single cat became the ancestor of dozens of polydactyl cats that still live at Hemingway's home in Key West, Florida. They're so famous that the house has become a popular attraction for cat lovers from around the world. Here's another challenge. Where is the world's largest active volcano located? Is it Russia, the United States, Iceland, or Japan? The correct answer is the United States. Mauna Loa, located on Hawaii's Big Island, is the largest active volcano on Earth by volume and area. Although its summit rises more than 13,000 feet above sea level, most of the volcano actually lies beneath the Pacific Ocean. Its immense size makes it one of the most impressive geological features on the planet. Ready for another one? Who wrote Wind, Sand, and Stars and Flight to Arras? Was it Jean-Paul Sartre, Albert Camus, Antoine de Saint-Exupéry, or Jules Verne? If you picked Antoine de Saint-Exupéry, you're absolutely right. Saint-Exupéry wasn't just a celebrated author, he was also a pioneering aviator whose real-life flying adventures inspired many of his books. Today, he's best known as the author of The Little Prince, one of the most translated and beloved books ever written. Let's keep going. What is the modern name of Saigon? Is it Ho Chi Minh City, Hanoi, Haiphong, or Da Nang? The correct answer is Ho Chi Minh City. After the Vietnam War ended, Saigon was officially renamed Ho Chi Minh City in 1976. Even so, many locals and visitors still use the name Saigon when referring to the city's historic downtown district. Today, it's Vietnam's largest city and its economic powerhouse. This next one is for book lovers. How do the main characters reach the island in Jules Verne's The Mysterious Island? Do they travel by ship, airship, submarine, or hot air balloon? You got it! The correct answer is hot air balloon. At the beginning of the novel, a group of escapees flee during the American Civil War in a hot air balloon. A violent storm carries them thousands of miles before they crash on an unknown island. That dramatic opening launches one of Jules Verne's greatest adventure stories. Let's see how you do with this one. According to legend, which city was founded by Dido? Was it Babylon, Memphis, Carthage, or Athens? The correct answer is Carthage. According to ancient legend, Queen Dido fled her homeland and founded Carthage on the coast of North Africa. The city later became one of the greatest powers in the Mediterranean and Rome's fiercest rival. Dido's dramatic story was immortalized in Virgil's epic poem, the Aeneid. Here's another challenge. Which painting was created by Paul Cézanne? Was it Sunflowers, The Starry Night, Impression, Sunrise, or The Card Players? That's right, The Card Players. Paul Cézanne painted several versions of the card players, and they're considered masterpieces of modern art. One version was reportedly sold for more than $250 million, making it one of the most expensive paintings ever purchased. Think carefully about this one. What were Alexander the Great's generals called after his death? Were they diadochi, apologists, epigoni, or satraps? The correct answer is the diadochi. After Alexander the Great died in 323 before Christ, his top generals fought for control of his enormous empire. These powerful successors became known as the diadochi, and their wars reshaped the ancient world for generations. Several famous Hellenistic kingdoms emerged from their struggles. This one surprises a lot of people. Which color do lines distinguish the least effectively? Is it green, red, black, or blue? The correct answer is red. Like house cats, lions don't see the full range of colors that humans do. Their eyes are specially adapted for spotting movement and hunting at dawn and dusk, rather than distinguishing bright colors. Red and green shades can appear very similar to them. You've made it to question 10. Into which ocean does the Amazon River flow? Is it the Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Arctic Ocean, or the Indian Ocean? If you chose the Atlantic Ocean, you're correct. The Amazon carries more water than any other river on Earth and empties into the Atlantic Ocean along Brazil's northern coast. During the rainy season, its freshwater flow is so enormous that it changes the ocean's salinity for more than 100 miles offshore. Halfway there, let's keep going. Which country is traditionally associated with paella? Is it Italy, Portugal, Greece, or Spain? The correct answer is Spain. Paella originated in the Spanish region of Valencia, where it was first cooked over open fires by farmers using local ingredients. Today, it's one of Spain's most famous dishes and comes in many delicious varieties. Despite popular belief, traditional Valencian paella doesn't usually include seafood. Ready for another challenge? What is the largest species of penguin? Is it king penguin, gentoo penguin, chinstrap penguin, or emperor penguin? That's right, the emperor penguin. Emperor penguins are the tallest and heaviest penguins on Earth, with some adults standing over 4 feet tall. They survive the brutal Antarctic winter by huddling together in huge groups, constantly rotating so every bird gets a turn in the warmer center. Here's one almost everyone has heard of. Which fictional detective was created by Sir Arthur Conan Doyle? Was it Hercule Poirot, Miss Marple, Sherlock Holmes, or Nero Wolfe? You got it! Sherlock Holmes. Sherlock Holmes first appeared in A Study in Scarlet in 1887. His brilliant powers of observation and deduction changed detective fiction forever and inspired countless books, movies, TV series, and even real-life forensic techniques. This next one is a little trickier. What does the circus term cavalcade refer to? Is it an acrobat performance, a procession of performers on horseback, a clown act, or an animal training session? The correct answer is a procession of performers on horseback. The word cavalcade comes from a term meaning a group of horse riders. In traditional circuses, a colorful cavalcade often opened the show, giving the audience an exciting first look at performers, beautifully decorated horses, and elaborate costumes. Only a few more to go. What is measured in acres? Is it area, mass, volume, or force? If you chose area, you're absolutely right. An acre is a unit used to measure land area and has been around for hundreds of years. It was once defined as the amount of land a team of oxen could plow in a single day. Today, acres are still widely used in countries like the United States and the United Kingdom. Let's see if you know this one. In which activity is the title Grand Master most commonly used? Is it tennis, fencing, chess, or golf? That's right, chess. Grand Master is the highest title awarded by the International Chess Federation, known as FIDE. Only a tiny percentage of competitive players ever earn it, and some of the world's youngest grandmasters achieved the title before turning 14. It's one of the most prestigious honors in the game. Here's another history challenge. What historical period includes the civilizations of ancient Greece and ancient Rome? Was it the Middle Ages, classical antiquity, the prehistoric era, or the modern era? The correct answer is classical antiquity. Classical antiquity spans the height of ancient Greek and Roman civilization and laid the foundations for much of Western culture. Philosophy, democracy, engineering, theater, and Roman law all flourished during this remarkable period. Many of those ideas still influence the modern world today. This one should be familiar. Which planet is known as the red planet? Is it Venus, Jupiter, Mars, or Mercury? You got it. Mars. Mars appears red because its surface is covered with iron-rich dust that has rusted over billions of years. It's also home to Olympus Mons, the largest volcano in the entire solar system, standing nearly 3 times taller than Mount Everest. Here's one from the world of science. What is the body's ability to resist infections called? Is it metabolism, regeneration, adaptation, or immunity? The correct answer is immunity. Your immune system is constantly working behind the scenes to recognize and fight harmful bacteria, viruses, and other pathogens. It can even remember many germs it has encountered before, allowing your body to respond much faster if they return. And now, the final question. Which famous ship sank on its maiden voyage in 1912? Was it Titanic, Lusitania, Britannic, or Queen Mary? The correct answer is Titanic. The Titanic struck an iceberg during its maiden voyage in April 1912 while crossing the North Atlantic. At the time, it was one of the largest passenger ships ever built, and its sinking became one of history's most famous maritime disasters. More than a century later, the story continues to inspire books, documentaries, and blockbuster films. And now, the bonus question. The more you take from it, the bigger it becomes. What is it? Is it a basket, a river, a hole, or a mountain? How many did you get right today? Write your score and your answer to the bonus question in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss the next quiz. Stay curious and have a great day. See you in the next quiz!